Hello everyone, I have another vintage, well it's mostly vintage, paper kit to share with you guys. Gonna go ahead and kind of go quickly, but enough, spend enough time so that you guys can see everything rather quickly. I have been up for a few hours trying to get some junk, work on some of my journals while I had time and the house was quiet because I have quite a few of these medium flat rate boxes packed with stuff that I've been meaning to put on Etsy, and I also have some stuff that I've been meaning to send out as Happy Mail, and you guys, I'm just so behind, it's unreal. But anyway, so I'm going to start from the right and just move along. So I have some postcards, and I'm standing to the side of the camera so that I can also see as I'm showing you guys, because there is a glare. That's upside down. And the dates, that one is 1940, 1940, and 1942 on those postcards. I think there should be 10 or 15 of these, probably 10. Like I said, these things have been in, they've been boxed up for a couple of months now, you guys. So I can't remember the quantity of everything, but I can guesstimate pretty well. And just a couple of those time cards. And there are, I believe, 10 of these envelopes. And I love to stamp on these. I'm using some of those stamps and just add something different to your journals. There are 5 of these English pound envelopes, I believe they're called. 5 of those. I have some of this very old, I guess, well paper that I got at that antique mall. I paid too much for that paper pad, but the paper pad, too much for that little pad, but I just had to have it. I've got some envelopes here. I have 2 different sizes of the glassine little envelopes for a total of 4 of those. I have, how many? And these are 4 by 6 of these little damask bags. I have a few glassine bags. They may be 5 by 7. No, these are 5 by 7, I think. I have a few of those. I think 5 of this size. Let me scoot down for a little bit. 5 of that size. I have some of the white bags in the same size. And that is all of the envelopes. And then I've got just some old dictionary paper. This is some English literature. Some ephemera, and I love that it is written on. There are 4 sheets of that, and I just have this in here. I probably should have taken it out, but since I've shown it, I'll go ahead and include it. But this is from that 7 Gypsy paper, and I love this paper, and I love the way it coffee dyes up as well. And this is from, I think, the Edith Holden calendar or diary book or whatever you call it. The calendar part. I'm not sure which one that's from. And this is from the English guys, the Cottage book. I think his name is Sir Edward, or was. And that's just some vintage music paper. I've got probably 5 sheets of vintage poetry. And this is from an old thesaurus book. I love adding that to the journals. And this is the smaller version of the Sears and Roebuck catalog, and was not going to include one of the larger catalogs because that would probably take up half of the medium, that box over there. Just did a really quick flip to show you guys what's in these little catalogs. This is the Country Diary Cookery Notes. I have a few copies of it. I'll probably do a cooking theme or recipe theme journal, and will include either some of these pages or just another copy. And this is Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady, the Edith Holden book we all love. It's a very good copy. Lovely patina. And you guys, I have tons of stuff. I need to really go ahead and start sending some of this stuff out. And these are some lovely stamps. Make sure that there's no glare so you can, and this one is one of my favorites. Love that one as well. I mean, I love them all. There's that one. Lovely for a sewing theme. Another one of my favorites. That one. And I just love this one. And these are nice sized stamps, you guys. These are not small stamps. They're very nice sized. Scoot these over. Sorry about that. And this is from the large Sears and Roebuck catalog. Just got quite a few of it. Pages in there as well. That's quite a few. I don't know if you can tell. I don't even know how many I couldn't even imagine. Maybe 50 to 100 possibly. And I've just included some pattern paper, a few pages from an old, I think it's from a old Vogue sewing book. And I love using these in my journals as well. And this one has a lovely patina to it. And these are 5 or 6 large bags. And these 2 sets are from the Victorian Book of Days. Sorry for that glare. I love that image. And these are from the old, I'm laughing because I'm thinking I'm going to go back and watch this video and I will be naming something totally, completely different from what it is because I'm a little tired, you guys. These are from an old Shakespeare book. Lovely, lovely aging to these. And that play is about King Lear, and there's Antony and Cleopatra, and what was, anyway, quite a few of those pages. 15 to 20. And this is from that quite pricey French book that I got at the Antique Mall. And I probably should not have torn the pages out of that book, but I've done that. And so it can't be undone now. It's already done. So I love this book. Love the images in it. Look at that. That would be good in a nature journal. And an ocean theme journal. Love that image as well. And ocean theme. Love those images. And there's that. And these are just some music papers. These if you want to do a vintage journal, will have to be coffee dyed. This one has some good aging on it. A couple of pages of it. And probably 20 pages there. And I have this receipt book, guest check, a couple of tickets, different kinds of tickets. And you guys, I've said this before, I'm going to say it again because I always have someone ask me where I get these doilies. Now, you guys know I scored a lot of doilies on my last trip to Austin. But these here come from Donna Little on YouTube. Go over and check her channel out because she has lovely, lovely stuff. And I think she's including even more. She has kits and everything as well. So I'll just show you guys, and you can measure how small that is by the palm of my hand. Love that one. Okay, I think there are 2 of each kind. So I'll just have to show you the first one. Love how that one's very different. This one as well. And that one has got a little raised center as well. And I've been thinking about a project to, because I purchased, oh my goodness, I purchased so many of her doilies, you guys. And I do have a project in mind, or a couple of projects. So hopefully one day we will get to see it to fruition, because I have, like most of us, you know, we always have multiple things going. And there's this one I love to just include it in a journal as, you know, right down there in the center and sew it in right in the journal like so. And there's a little bit of that lace that I love. Okay, you guys, I will get this one listed on Etsy. It's late. I was hoping to do smaller kits because I also have smaller kits I want to post and some other stuff. But just be patient with me. You guys have a lovely night, day, evening, wherever you are.